Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. So, welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. So, September 8 to 14 po yung ating reading. OFW, shout out po ako sa mga OFW yung ating mga kaibigan. So, hope everybody is well. Another weekend po na naman. Yes, so September 8 to 14. So, kamusta po yung ating week? Sa mga bago po sa aking channel, OFW din po ako. So, alam ko yung mga pinagdadaanan ng OFW. Yeah? So, sana ay happy, healthy ang ating kalagayan. Kung nasaan man tayong sulok ng daigdig, shout out po tayo kung nasaan tayo. So, bagong pagmamahal. Opening new, element na gusto mo, not necessarily relationship, itong energy na ito. So something new, always something new tayo kapag meron tayong ace na baraha. So something new, pero connected ito sa sa kaligayahan na hinahanap, emotional space. Yes, meron mang ganyan sa Pisces. Okay, I just want to make sure na tama yung sinasabi kong reading. Okay. Meron kang pinagsisintiran. Ito yung tinatawag kong miser mentality, na you feel lacking. You feel lacking of something dati. Ngayon, naamoy-amoy mo na mukhang dumarating na siya. Yes, meron bang ganyan? Kasi may nagbukas na bagong opportunity. It's all I consider is opportunity. Anything new. It can be related sa trabaho. Yun bang tipong napangiti ka nung dumating siya. Pisces, correct? Meron bang ganyan, Pisces? Na pinagdadasal mo na ito noon pa, na you're looking for that fair treatment. Yes? Pero bang ganyan, kung baga si amo napaka-unfair naman yata nito para sa akin. Dumating na yung karma. Karma yung hinihintay mo. Okay? Kung ano man yung karma hinihintay mo, ito yung minsan hindi natin iniisip yung na sana makarma ka. Yun, hindi parang negative kasi yung yung when you sinabing na-karma siya. Parang hindi maganda yung connotation, di ba? Pero somehow lahat tayo, meron tayo yung energy na sana ako naman. Kung naririnig yung nangyayari sa Pilipinas ng mga DPWH ng mga iskandalo, di ba? Yan ang tinatawag na na-karma na siya. Puro kahanginan yung pinagpo-post nila sa YouTube na maraming yung luxury lifestyle check, ika nga. Ngayon dumating na yung judgment, and then no choice. So yung baho lumilitaw. So now that's what you're also receiving, Pisces. So yung energy na parang naagrabyado ka, na palaging ikaw or palagi kang out of place. Hindi na patapos na ang element ng I don't want to say na paghihirap or something, no? Kasi iba-iba yung ating level ng masasabi natin na unfair. Okay? Merong minsan na hindi mo iniisip na unfair yun. It's part of yung routine na ginagawa mo. Yung iba naman, and they're happy doing that. Yes? And some people naman, your true value, but despite that, gawin mo yung kung ano yung nararapat mong gawin, and you're also waiting na sana dumating yung time na ako naman yung mag-post sa Instagram na I can afford those expensive bag. Dumating na yon. Yes, meron bang ganyan? Dumating na yung hinihintay mong message. Hindi na ito hindi na ito nasa drawing board. kung ano yung hinihiling mo na yon para sa sarili mo. Let's say, nag-wish ka na promotion or ikaw yung piliin, yung universe na magbibigay sa'yo. I think ano ka na dito, nag-suffer ka na ng I don't want to say na sobrang pag-aan ito, suffer. Nagkaroon ka ng ng moment na ayaw mo nang i-tolerate. Ito yung sinasabi ko, miser mentality. Tingnan mo yung babae na yon, tayo yan dumarating sa sitwasyon natin na parang yung api-api. Merong mentality minsan tayo ng ganyan until such time na magising ka and the answer sa question mo is nasa harapan mo. Kung gusto mo ng stability, ang answer is nasa harapan mo. You just need to open that key. Ayun nasa harapan mo. So nagkaroon ka hindi ito decision, kundi binigay na sa'yo. I think it's something happening or about to happen. Okay, September 8 to 14. So watch out, Pisces. So ito yung tipong wake up moment. Kumbaga sa kung ikaw yung nagtatrabaho sa DPWH o ikaw yung nasa pamilya na kasama doon sa mga iskandalo na ganoon, this is your moment, okay? Moment na the change will happen. Now, kung ikaw yung naagrabyado at tayo yung mga naglalakad sa baha, it's also your moment na not necessarily to fight back, to wake up because yung power, yung energy, it's hindi ito nasa isang nasa isang elemento o nasa isang tao lang yan. Meron kang lahat tayo ay meron that magic key to unlock kung ano yung hinahanap natin. Gumising lang tayo. That's what it means here. You can apply that to your everyday mundane life, okay? Meron tayong moment na ganyan, and hindi ito I think meron kang effort dito kung ano yung pagbabago na ito na gusto mong puntahan, kasi merong wake up call sa iyo hindi mo lang to pinagdasal kundi talagang I think this is very karmic. Okay, like what I said, I don't want to use to put na yung karma na yan, it's a on a negative definition, okay? So it's always what comes around or what goes around comes around. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Yes. And you are moving to that new opportunity na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. I think hinihintay mo na ito. Yeah, meron ba ganyan, Pisces? Merong offer Kung ito yung pag-ibig, ito yung, sorry to say, na there was going through some tough times. Okay, relationship, it's not working out somehow, and meron kang eureka moment. Ikaw ba ito, Pisces? I do not know kung sino yung energy or people, something close to you. Kung ikaw ito it's it's gonna happen. Yes, meron mang ganyan ngayon sa energy mo, Pisces. Tignan natin kung ano itong bagong dumating na ito. Bagong offer, bagong opportunity. Kasi, I think manifest mo na ito or sukdulan na talaga yung situation. Yes? So, ito yung energy na yung kamukha nga yung baha. Diba? It's not only the problem ng baha. Yung baha, yun ang epekto ng ng problema Effect lang yun Pero may mas malalim. Yes? Meron mong ganyan, Pisces? Taga DPWH ka ba? Or ay na naman siya, Ace of Cups. So, this is a double, ano ba tawag dito? Double confirmation. Ano ba ito? Wedding Because in the past, merong hindi nag-work out yung relationship. It can be related to work. And you have again the justice here. You have the judgment and the justice, the karma. What comes around goes around. What goes around comes around. Kung kung yung basura na itinapon bumalik dahil inadod ng baha. That's karma. Kasi ikaw rin yung nagkalat ng basura na yon. Very simple to. Very simple common sense and law of nature. Yeah? Yan ba yung hinihintay mo ngayon, Pisces? September 8 to 14 po yung reading natin. Tignan natin kung ano yung buong storyline. Shout out po yung mga OFW. Kung naka-resonate, ayun na, may bagong balita. Page is inquisitive. Ikaw ito na nag-check ng mga bali-balita, social media, or parang nag-iimbestiga. Yan yung inquisitive nature natin. Halimbawa, meron kang in-apply ang trabaho. And then, siyempre mag-check ka, ano ba itong trabaho na ito? Tama ba ito? Legal ba ito? Or something? And kung financial in nature ito, meron ka rin hinihintay or yung energy na to settle yung hindi ito nangangahulugang pera lang yung stability, because there was a change that is happening and it's gonna happen a little slow but solid. Kung yung yung pagbabago hinahanap mo na yun, na patutunguhan mo, or yung judgment, settlement, or whatsoever na yan, it will proseso yan hindi ganun kadali. Okay, depende yan kung gaano kakabilis mag-adapt. Pisces, meron bang ganyan ngayon, Pisces? Tingnan natin yung story. Ano ba yung inabangan mo na yan na pagbabago? Hindi mo to inabangan naaamoy mo lang I think you're just doing what you need to do. Meron bang nag-backstab sa'yo o merong sa'yo? I think it's more on ang nakikita ko rito merong sa'yo nag-treat ng unfairly. It's unfairly. I think makaka-resonate lahat ng Pilipino dito na nagboto sa mga nakaupong opisyales. Ito merong behind the scene na somebody na sneaky ang person. Hindi or hindi ka strategic, or you need to be strategic. Yes, it can work multiple ways. Okay, you are trying to strategize. Ayaw mo na lang ng nagsawa ka na sa ano bang maganda example dito? Okay, mediocre na halimbawa sinigang, okay? Kung palagi mong kinakain ang niluluto sa'yo sinigang na matabang na walang lasa, kulang sa asim, or kompleto yung ingredients, ayaw mo na noon. Ayaw mo na yung malamig na mababaw. Kumbaga sa pag-ibig yung relationship mo puro palagi may kulang. Ayaw mo na lang ng substandard. Okay? Kumbaga, tama, applicable ito sa nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Ganun na yung energy ng, I think, most of everybody. And it also applies to you. Kung ano man yung sitwasyon ngayon, let's say sa work, ayaw mo na ng puro ito kababawan na lang. Ayaw mo na ng walang kalidad. Yes? Relationship, ayaw mo na ng palagi na lang ako ang naglilinis. Bakit hindi ka naman ang maglinis? That's your mentality now, Pisces. And dumating na yung sitwasyon na ka rin dito, nag-emote ka rin dito kasi hindi ka gumising Yung answer is in front of you. na parang sinasabi mo, parang napakabagal ng pagbabago. Actually, ikaw pala yung hindi magbago. But you keep on searching on that new beginning na ngayon darating na. I think there's a wake-up call. Meron ba ganyang Pisces? So, nag-strategize ka definitely. Nag-strategize ka. Kumbaga sa ano pa bang magandang ano dito? Sa group setting, alam mo, sa trabaho, meron kang mga makakatrabaho na parang karelasyon lang lahat ng mga katrabaho mo konti lang yung ibinibigay. Agree? So, na ano ka na doon, ayaw mo na noong ganoon. At hindi minanifest mo yun na ano naman to, hindi naman tama ito. You need to be fair as well. Okay? And that's start no ano, that what makes you happy. As yun ang ano mo, yun ang definition mo. Okay, Pisces, meron mang ganyan. Tignan natin, makichismis pa tayo kung saan pinanggalingan itong itong tower moment na ito, yung eureka moment mo. I know there's a hurt in the past. Hindi you feel unsecure. Meron kang insecurity dito. There was insecurity. Okay, another example is yung relationship. Okay, one is earning more. Okay, may sumusungo, and the other one is yun nga, that's how life is. And then ayaw mo na lang na puro ganoon na lang. Yes, ayaw mo na lang ng gano'n na palaging ganito na lang ba tayo. Ayan, tinapos mo na tinapos mo na. Kumbaga sa meron kang you feel na hindi ka masaya dito, so bakit ka magtsatsaga? Meron bang ganyan, Pisces? Hindi mo rin ito hinanap I think hindi, maybe some mo lang ito, pinagdasal mo. Knowing Pisces is a water sign. Bago niya gumawa ng second move, gusto ng something solid na darating. Kaya lang nangingibabaw yung emosyon mo dito somehow pa rin. I do not know kung sinong tumapos. O kung sino nagsabi na ayoko na ng mediocrity. Yes, at merong opportunity na darating. Kung ikaw itong nasa other side na ikaw yung nagbibigay ng mediocrity, kung sino yung partner mo, siya na magsasabi na no, it's time for us to move on. It's not working out. Merong isa sa inyo na nagkaroon ng tower moment. Yeah, kumbaga sana gumuho. This is painful. Yes, Pisces, meron mang ganyan. So August 8 to 14, and very independent ka rin dito. I think you just want to have your security. Sino ba naman ang ayaw? You have your I think alam ko yung storyline ito. So not everybody have this type of security blanket, I could say. Okay, not everybody. But the energy here is masaya ka with the present moment on who you are. Nasa nasa career wise, you are happy. Yes, but somehow nagkaroon ka ng element of lacking. Let's say you want to save something, maaring kung meron kang isinesave na something here, nagkaroon ka ng fear of bakit parang ako yata ang sumasagot ng nagre-resolve ng problema. Yes, And meron bang iba na somehow na nakapagmulat sa'yo na wag ka namang masyadong tatanga-tanga or something? So, no, okay, I think it's not a proper way. It can work that way as well. Okay, this tower moment is a wake up call for you, Pisces. It's a wake up call for you. Kung ikaw yung nasa other end at ikaw yung nagiging dahilan ng problema, yung surrounding mo, yung energy ng surrounding mo, they want to end with you. Yes? Okay? Kung ikaw naman yung you feel na you have that lacking mentality despite of what you offer sa table, ikaw yung magtatapos noong whatever na difficulty na sa palagay mo it's for you, it's a difficulty. Yes? Kasi nga one of you is ayaw na ng skin deep na type of connection. Hindi na healthy. Palagi na lang I think this is what the storyline. Palagi na lang naninimbang. Kumbaga sa tipong pinagluto mo, ngayon medyo kinakabakabahan ka, nag-iisip ka, magugustuhan kaya itong niluto kong sinigang. Baka mamaya yung sinigang ko iba yung panlasa kasi. And you always doing that. Palagi ka nagtitipto. One of you is doing the tiptoeing. And you've been doing that for a long time. Yes? Meron bang ganyan, Pisces? Yeah? So, kung ano man itong tower moment, there was an end. And also, there's a new beginning. Kapag may ending, may bagong panimula It's always like that. But the process nung pag-e-end nun is something na different po sa ating sa timeline, yung by experience natin, because there's meron kang bagong parang napupusuan. Again, napupusuan is not something na bagong nakitilitig ng boyfriend or girlfriend or that's a possibility of there is more to what you have now. You just realize that. Although it's kind of coming slow, pero I think yung process na yun is you kept that on your head. In-entertain mo siya. You are entertaining that thoughts. Yeah. Meron mang ganyan kung ano ito, but it's an end. Kung ano man yun, it's gonna end, and it's gonna end soon. Yeah, okay. September 8 to 14, Pisces. Tignan natin yung advice ng oracle card. Yeah? Tignan natin. Bigyan natin si Pisces ng something advice. Something na keep him or her aware. Tignan natin, Pisces. Isa lang. Oh, ito, tignan ko to. Tignan natin. May Gemini. Sabi ni Gemini, nakikita ba sa camera? Okay. Stress may be an issue during this time. Okay, yan yung mga stressful moments. You just need to find that key. Damputin mo yung key. You don't need to find it. It's in front of you. And if you want to end it, I think it's gonna end soon. Wala ka ng dito. Wala ka ng control dito, Pisces. It's gonna happen. So, kung ano man yun, because palagi may nagtitipto. You're happy in your present situation now. It's not something na iiyak ka or something. You acknowledge yung situation na yun and you want to move to that new beginning. Kung ano man ito sa love relationship, yung boyfriend, girlfriend, it's not working out. And you find somebody else that will make you happy. Yes? Connection yan, Pisces Okay? So, yeah. So, September 8 to 14 po tayo ang reading. So, yeah. So, see you again next week. Have a great weekend.